Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Fizza. I hope you all are fine and safe. So I am back with another interesting video for you all. But before we start, I want you all to go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button. So whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Up till now, I hope you all must have subscribed. It's right time to jump into our video. Hello Karen, how are you?
Oh, I'm good.
That's great.
What is our today's topic?
So today we will learn use of was and were. But before starting that, we will revise some previous topics.
Sure, let's start.
First, we're gonna learn some singular and plural nouns. First noun is dream, means ख्वाब, and its plural noun is dreams, means ख्वाबों. Okay, so our next word is dog, means kutta, and its plural is dogs, means kutte. Ooh, so now I want you to suggest me some singular and their plural nouns.
Oh, okay, so I have some nouns in my mind. First is toy, means khilona.
Okay, tell me its plural.
So plural noun of toy is toys, means khilone. Another singular noun, tree, means darakht. And its plural noun is trees, means darakton.
Fabulous! Let's move on and learn some more singular and plural noun. Weather means mausam. Weathers, mausamo. Moving ahead. Tablet means khane ki goli. Tablets means khane ki goliyan. Our next word is speech, means takreer, and its plural is speeches, means takreerein ya taqareer.
Now please, can I suggest you some singular and plural nouns?
Sure, go ahead.
Music means musiqi. And its plural is musics, means musiqiyan. Another singular noun is story, means kahani. Stories means kahaniyan.
Okay, well done. Now it's time to cover this topic with two more examples. Bitch means kutiya. Bitches means kuttiyan. Our last word is witch, means churel.
And its plural is witches, means churele.
Correct! Now it's time to learn some adjectives.
Yay, let's start.
So our first word is dreadful. Next word is lame, means langda. Another word, broken, means toota hua. Fruity means paldar. Now you share some adjectives, Kiran.
Why not? Pleasant means khushgawar. Effective means pur israr. Short means mukhtasar ya chota.
Great job. Now let me teach you some more adjectives. Nice means acha, interesting, dilchasp, blind, andha, cruel, zalim, brave, bahadur, busy, masroof, opportunist, mauka shanas, experienced, tajarbakar, shadowy, sayadar, trained, tarbiyat yafta, large-hearted, sakhi, innocent, masoom, sinless, beguna, stingy, कंजूस, rich, पैसे वाला या दौलतमंद. That's it. Now I am moving on towards very important points. And for that, I want your full attention, okay?
Yes, I am attentive.
Okay, first things first. Was और were को helping verbs कहते हैं.
What is helping verb?
Great question. So, helping verb is a verb that adds functional or grammatical meaning to clause in which it appears. Was और were का इस्तेमाल हमेशा past tense में होता है और past tense ज़माना माजी को कहते हैं. Next important point is जब हमें किसी वाहिद जानदार या बेजान चीज़ की कोई खूबी या खामी बतानी हो और वो माजी के मुताल्लिक हो तो हमें वो वाहिद जानदार चीज़ या वाहिद बेजान चीज़ के फ़ौरन बाद was लगाना पड़ता है. ही, शी, आई और इट के साथ भी अगर माजी की खूबी या खामी बयान करनी हो तो was लगता है क्योंकि ही, शी, I और it वो pronouns हैं जो हमें वाहिद इंसान या चीज़ों की तरफ इशारा करते हैं। जब हमें एक से ज़्यादा जानदार चीज़ों या बेजान चीज़ों की कोई खूबी या खामी बतानी हो और वो माजी के मुतल्लिक हो, तब हमें वो एक से ज़्यादा जानदार चीज़ों या बेजान चीज़ों के बाद वर्ड लगाना पड़ता है। सो वी और दे के बाद वर्ड लगता है क्योंकि ये दोनों प्रोनाउंस जमा की अलामत हैं।
I understood up till now, but I have one confusion.
Ask, dear.
So I want to ask that after you, which helping verb we will use, was or were?
ओके, सो यू का मतलब होता है तुम या आप। जब किसी एक वाहिद बंदे के साथ या वाहिद चीज़ के साथ बात की जाती है तब हम यू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। हालांकि यू का इस्तेमाल वाहिद बंदे या वाहिद चीज़ के लिए होता है, लेकिन इसके साथ जब कोई खूबी या खामी बयान करनी हो और वो माजी के मुतल्लिक हो तब हमें वर्ड लगाना पड़ता है।
This is too difficult to learn.
No, not at all. I will make it easy for you.
Really?
Yes, I will summarize my lecture for your assistance. So, in short, हमें ये याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि he, she, I और it singular noun के साथ past tense में was लगता है और we, you, they और plural noun के साथ were लगता है।
You were right. Actually, it is so easy.
I am glad you understood. Time to
What?
move on. हमें ये याद रखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि I और we में बहुत फ़र्क होता है। So I का मतलब होता है मैं खुद। I का इस्तेमाल बंदा खुद अपने लिए करता है और I हमेशा वाहिद की अलामत होती है। We का मतलब होता है हम या हम सब और we हमेशा जमा या प्लूरल की अलामत देता है।
Oh.
Now I will teach you use of was and were with the help of example.
Ooh, let's start.
Our first sentence is I was busy. मैं मसरूफ था. Here I is pronoun which is indicating singular noun and was is helping verb and busy is main verb. Next, we were busy. हम मसरूफ थे. Here, we is pronoun which is indicating plural noun and were is helping verb and busy is main verb. Now your test. I want to hear some examples from your side.
Okay, so you were busy. Means तुम मसरूफ थे.
Whoa! Now I am moving on towards some difficult sentences. So first is Rumi was innocent and she was sinless. Here Rumi is proper noun and she is pronoun. If you all don't know what are nouns and its kind, go check my previous video. Link is in the description down below. Let's learn another sentence. Ali was experienced and he was trained. It means Ali तजुर्बेकार था और वो तरबियत याफ्ता था. Here, Ali and he both are indicating singular noun, so we used was. Our next sentence is Qaid-e-Azam was opportunist and he was brave. Means Qaid-e-Azam मौका शिनास थे और वो बहादुर थे. Now it's your turn to make sentence like these.
Okay, so Ali and Amjad were rich, but they were stingy. Means Ali or Amjad अमीर थे, लेकिन वो कंजूस थे. In this sentence, we are talking about two boys, so we used were.
Marvelous.
Another sentence, the tree was fruity and it was shadowy. Means दरख्त फलदार थे और वो सायादार थे.
Now we will make sentences using nouns and adjectives we learned today. Our first sentence is the dream was dreadful. ख्वाब डरावना था. Next sentence is dog was lame. कुत्ता लंगड़ा था. The toy was broken. खिलौना टूटा हुआ था. Now you make sentence using tree as a noun.
So, the tree was fruity. दरख्त फलदार था.
Fabulous. Next sentence is the weather was pleasant. मौसम खुशगवार था. Now let's wrap up the topic use of was with our last sentence. The speech was short but sweet. तकरीर छोटी थी लेकिन अच्छी थी. Now time to make sentences with use of was with the help of adjectives and noun we learned today. Our first sentence is the musics were nice. Means मौसीकियाँ अच्छी थीं. The bitches were blind. कुत्तियाँ अंधी थीं. Now you make a sentence.
Yes, the stories were interesting. कहानियाँ दिलचस्प थीं. The witches were cruel. चुड़ैलें जालिम थीं.
That is mind-blowing. I am sure you are pro in use of was and were. And you will never forget these things in your life.
Yes, you're right. I will never forget your lecture because your lectures are worth learning.
If you liked my video, so give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification button. और याद से इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि सबका फ़ायदा हो क्योंकि ये कोर्स तो बिल्कुल फ्री है. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा.